Hello, good evening. We are making this a clip showcasing Health League, basically about the history of the institution and what the institution has been doing over last more than 7 decades and what plans we have for the future. The league was founded in 1944 under the patronage of Raja Bahadur Venkatram Reddy sir. And this was founded by a group of young people, young men and women, mainly for having some recreational activities in this part of the town. So it's located in a very thickly, densely populated Sultan Bazar area, and probably this is the only ground in about almost 2 kilometers radius from this place. So right since in the beginning, we have been mainly concentrating on the indigenous sports activities, because the children who come from around this area, frankly to say that most of them they cannot afford any racket sports, and that's the reason we concentrated on the indigenous sports like kabaddi, kho-kho and malkham. In 2017, we inaugurated a modern gymnasium. We did have an old gymnasium, but where the equipment was quite outdated. So we had to get some modern equipment and start a gymnasium all again, which we did in 2017, and we have a very excellent response for the gymnasium as well. And we have produced almost, I would say about 50 to 60 players who had been trained here, who have gone on to represent the state of Telangana, or rather Hyderabad or Andhra Pradesh earlier, and Telangana now, and who have won many medals and have won the laurels for the state. And not only the state, it's even internationally. We had a couple of kho-kho players who represented India in the Asian Championships, and last year was first World Malkham Championships, where we have Jana Patil, the girl who was trained here. She represented India and won a gold medal for the country. So it's been a very proud moment for all of us here, for Health League, for the state and for the country. And in the year 1975, a primary school, primary KG and nursery, a school was established here under the trust of Ahilya Education Society. and we have been imparting a quality education at a very subsidized fee structure here, and the benefit has been definitely taken by most of the underprivileged children, underprivileged families' children here. And since last year now, the school is under the banner of Health League, and we'll be definitely continuing the tradition, but we'll be discontinuing the primary school, and we'll be running only the nursery and the KG from here onwards. Last 5 to 6 years have been very significant for our institution, where we have really taken some big strides. We had organized many events, and right from a program on the war martyrs of Kargil to diabetes and weight loss, and many music events and highly acclaimed Marathi plays. And I'm very happy to inform that they have been really received with great appreciation by the audiences. And a very unique diet scheme, Sakas Ahar, which was introduced about 3 years back, where we provide a nutritious diet supplement to all our trainees here. Because the physical activity which they go through for 2 to 3 hours of rigorous training, they definitely need some to be backed up by a good nutritious diet. And I'm very happy many people have come forward for this cause and really donated generously, which has really helped us to provide this diet to almost 70 to 80 growing boys and girls here at Health League. So it has been a very unique scheme which probably I haven't heard of in any other organization. So thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this short video clip on Health League.